Okay, here we go. That's correct. Pretest 7A. I assume 7A told you to draw. Draw parallel lines that are oblique. Remember, oblique means they're not perpendicular. Bless you. They're not perpendicular or horizontal, or parallel or not horizontal or vertical. So they have to be like this. And it said lines, not segments. So remember, tomorrow on the test, if it asks you for lines and you don't put arrows on it, it will be wrong. So, number 2. 2 should be 3:40 a.m. 3:40 a.m. 3 is 31 years. 3 is 31 years. 4 is 1, 3, 5, and 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. Number 5 is 48. 5 is 48. 6 is 60. 6 is 60. 7 is 800. 7 is 800. 8 should be less than. 8 is less than. 8 is less than. 9 is 1/4. Grayson, could you maybe put that on your test or something? It's kind of distracting. Easily distracted. I'm sorry, what were we on? Number 9 is 1/4. 9 is 1/4. Did I mention number 9? It's 1/4. 10 is 25%. 10 is 25%. 11 should be C. 11 is the letter C. 12 is 50. 12 is 50. 13 is $18.46. $18.46. Number 14 is $6.20. $6.20. 15 is 2,730. 2,730. 16 is $55. $55. 17 is 704. 704. 18 is 72 remainder 3. 72 remainder 3. 19 is 250. 250. And 20 is the letter A. Jet.
What was 18?
18 was 72 remainder 3. James?
Would for number 9 be okay if you put like 25 out of 100?
Let me look at what question number 9 is. There's a good chance. Great. But why would you put 25 out of 100 when there's only 4 squares? I would say no. If there was 100 squares and 4 of them were shaded, or 25 of them were shaded, yes, but it asks you for the fraction. How many pieces is that cut into? 4, and what is shaded? 1. I'm not sure. How did you get 100?
Oh, I was thinking about the complete percent of all of it. I was thinking about percent.
Okay, well, don't. Yeah, I guess. While your fraction is equal, there's no reason to put it down. Trez? 14 was $6.20. Lex?
12.
Number 12 was 50. Jameson?
I don't understand how I got 10.
Problem number 10. Now, on the test tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, okay, did you get number 9 right?
Yes.
Okay. They asked you instead of the percent, or instead of the fraction, what percent is that? Anytime it's fractions and percents, people, you need to look at your fraction circles. And on your fraction circle, the fraction that is 1/4 will show on the bottom that 1/4 is the same as 25%.
Yeah.
So tomorrow on the test, please make sure you have your fraction circles if they're needed, or your little piece of paper. You can have this thing out. I'll let you use that, that'll be fine. Jack?
What was number 13?
Number 13 was 50. Amelia, why don't you gather your stuff and come up to this front table up here? Guys, see, you and Maren seem to struggle when you're real close to each other. Focus, focus, we need. I'm sorry, did I do 13 wrong? 13 is $18.46. Perez. Number 15 is 2,730. Lex. 19, 250. 250. Once again, 5th grade, you know, if you got some wrong, this is your chance to ask. 1 wrong on the test tomorrow changes your grade from an A to an A minus. 2 wrong makes it a B. 3 wrong is a B minus, and 4 wrong makes it a C. If you missed 3 or 4 on the pretest, you're going to probably miss those same ones unless you figure out why you got them wrong. That's my job. Ben Moody. Problem number 15, 2,730. See if I can find it here. Is it over here? Yep. Must be up here. Slide over. Alright, let me ask you a question. What did you multiply together first?
37.
Yeah, see, and that's where this would be something I would take note of. Because we don't do double-digit multiplication, I would multiply the number that has the 0 with the single digit. No, I would multiply the 7 times the 13 first. Because we know how to multiply this by any number, but we've not done double-digit multiplication, which is what you'll get if you do this. So tomorrow when you do this, make sure you do these 2 first. The ones that don't have the 0, multiply those together first. 13 times 7 is 91. And then 91 times 30 we've done before because you just hang out the 0. And that 0 comes down and you get that. Okay, so I would definitely multiply the ones that don't have the 0 at the end first because it'll make your life that much easier. Allie?
I don't understand number 5.
Problem number 5. Let's get to problem number 5. If the Alvins drink 12 gallons of milk each week, wow, 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. How many quarts of milk? So here's what I would do. All right, how many gallons? This is where always drawing pictures helps you out. How many gallons of milk do they drink a week? 12. So if you want, you could draw 12 of these. It wouldn't take you very long. You don't really have to, but I guess in this case I would. Each one of these is a gallon of milk, right? And this is how many they drink in a week. All right. Each one of those gallons is how many quarts?
4.
So you have, every one of these is 4 quarts. And the question asks you, how many quarts do they drink in a week? So what would you do? You could either add 4 together 12 times, or you could take 12 times 4. They would drink 48 quarts. Because each gallon is equal to 4 quarts. And again, see in the pictures there, a lot of times it just makes it a little more clear because everybody sees 4 and 12 and then they think they divide by 4, they get 3 for an answer, but they obviously drink more than 3 quarts each week because they drink 12 gallons. Ava. 16 is $55. Caleb, did you have a question there, sir?
What is wrong? I don't know.
No, that's fine. Again, on test, believe it or not, on test, I don't really go for the work thing because apparently that's where you hopefully have learned that you should because some of you are at different levels of your mathematical abilities. But I would certainly, if I don't understand something or I keep getting it wrong, I would certainly opt for the work. James?
On the test, if we have like a gallons and stuff, could we use the?
Sure, you can look up there for whatever, absolutely. Absolutely. Ava?
How is that number 16 again?
Number 16. One hopes I can find number 16 somewhere in this message. Must be on top of here, over here. Taking a guess. Did you multiply 2.75 times 20? Now remember, since this is given in dollars, your answer would have to be in dollars. So there's going to be 2 decimal places in the end here. So Ava, you brought it down to 0?
Yep.
2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. You just need to make that in dollars and cents, which means you put the decimal there. The dollar sign there. Sometimes they're usually just simple mistakes. Sometimes they're complicated mistakes.
Yeah,
Are there any other questions there? Going once? Twice. Sold to the person in the second